32 people confirmed with COVID-19 in Jamaica. Now, before we go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. Now, Jamaica has reported 32 cases of COVID-19 coronavirus in Jamaica. Now, this report came out yesterday, that is March 28th. So far, there has been one death. Now, so out of that 32, one person has died. So currently, there is 31 persons confirmed overall with the virus in Jamaica. The two newest cases involved a 70-year-old from St. Catherine with no travel history and a 67-year-old Kingston female who returned from the United Kingdom. Now, this is the breakdown of the cases. So it is 21 imported cases, 8 related to the important cases, 3 under investigation, including the St. Catherine female. Now, this is a log of all the persons in quarantine. Now, government facility has 34. Home quarantine is 289, excluding the Corn Peace settlement. Number of persons in isolation. Government facility, that's 38. Now, we're going to run through the test data. 257 positive tests, 32 negative, 221, and 4 is pending. So that is the overall update of what is happening with the coronavirus and the breakdown in Jamaica. It's currently at 32. Now, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Sauna Room, turn on your post notification bell so you can get the update each time we upload. Be safe, sanitize, and keep your social distance.